followed through the process of cooking Gambian jollof, but I feel like it's still a Nigerian meal, and Nigeria is like the top of it.
This is literally flooded.
Shift.
Your lip is shining, Mimi. You will not find it. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, as you can see from the title, I don't know why I'm feeling shy. I want some, please. Hi guys, welcome to Mimi's vlog.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna follow us follow us through the process of cooking Gambian jollof. And yeah, we had this argument that jollof originated from Senegal, and according to Jobet, Senegal and Gambia, they are one. But I feel like it's still a Nigerian meal, and Nigeria is like the top of it.
You know what? I'm not going to fight here. Because the one thing about jollof, one thing about Benechin, it's gonna disgrace you.
Okay.
The day you want to act all high and mighty, that's the day it will turn to porridge. So I'm not gonna
please, you should not turn to porridge.
No. One thing about food, the day you want to boast and say, okay, today I'm gonna kill it, that's the day it's gonna disgrace you. It's gonna say,
please don't disgrace yourself.
So I'm not gonna say anything. But my belief is that every country has like their spices. And probably the grandma or the grandfather that stole it from us decided to change it to according to their
which grandma?
Whoever stole it and brought it to Nigeria.
I thought the argument was Nigeria and Ghana.
No, it's between you guys. Our argument is based on origin. You guys are fighting over who has the best jollof. Okay. And that is you guys. I'm not gonna fight about that. But today, I'm gonna let Mimi try Gambian jollof and we're gonna do it together. Why are you looking at me like that?
Because I cannot wait to try it. I've had it before, but my girl is a chef. Yeah, and she's also a baker. So if you want to get your cakes, oh my god, what's your IG page? You need to
Jobet Bakes.
Yeah, you need to check it out. I think the last post, I think I saw a post of the wedding cake you did. That was really nice. So yeah, you guys should follow her. I'm like the biggest fan.
Anyway, so yeah guys, we're going to be doing the cooking today and see you in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you cooking or you're eating ice cream?
Wait, I don't like making videos with my glasses.
Are you cooking or you're eating ice cream?
Doing both.
So like what does like your jollof entail? Like what do you guys use? What are the spices you guys use? Maybe come this way. Okay.
So we use rice, of course, Maggi, pepper. We blend the pepper. There's something we call tapache. It's another type of pepper. We have Scotch bonnet pepper.
Is it like the Cameroonian pepper? Or like the hot pepper?
Let me check what tapache is. Honestly, I don't know. I just know that's tapache. But I'm gonna let you know by the way. When I check it, I'll tell you the original name. Then we blend the pepper, tomato, ginger, garlic, and put in blender. Then we blend them. Then we use the tin tomato. We also use the one you blend and the tin tomato, right? And we use onion. I think that's just it, and the rice.
I think it's just different because like when I watch a lot of videos, for us like we let our after the stew base or something, we let it boil like for it to develop more flavor. Like we let it boil a lot. We do add spices, but I think it's like the like pepper. The heat level depends on the person. Personally, I don't like a lot of pepper. I don't know whether you do.
I love pepper.
You love pepper?
Yeah.
You're Nigerian, of course. So
have you tasted Nigerian jollof before now? Have you tasted Nigerian jollof?
I tasted it, but I didn't like it. Maybe because of the person that cooks it.
It's the person. The person has a problem.
You can blame the person. I think I have.
How about Ghanaian?
Yeah.
Don't say I'm biased. No. Don't worry. I mean, I don't know when I'll come here. I would have said, oh, I'll prepare Nigerian jollof for you. Yeah.
Don't worry. We're gonna schedule that before I leave. Okay, so now let's start. Girl, can you take away your head?
Sorry.
Minus your head.
Sorry. Yeah.
But I saw a debate online and people were like, why would you eat jollof with fish? I'm like, that's the original. But then we're gonna use chicken as well. I did marinate.
What is the original?
Okay, we're not gonna go there. We're not gonna go there. But I have like chicken marinated last night, so I'm gonna fry fish and then we'll put it and then you will try it. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna try it with fish as well.
So today I'll be trying Jobet's Gambian. I've had Gambian jollof before. I mean, actually, I have my friend, my paddy is Gambian. So I've had it before, but I want to try it again. Like, it's
from
really
different
nice. I think there's something called yassa.
Yes.
I love yassa. Like,
Really?
that's like my favorite.
The next time you come
swear,
around,
I love yassa.
I think
so
that's
much.
everybody's favorite in Cyprus.
Really?
My Gambian friends, my Nigerian
Nigerian.
friends will be like, yassa.
Yassa, like, it's really nice.
And vermicelli.
What is that?
It's kind of like a small kind of macaroni, like this. I don't know. We put like parsley, blend it with like garlic, ginger, salt. I'm trying to explain something. Why do you hate wearing your
I don't know. I just feel like I always look like a nerd.
No,
when it comes to
you
videos.
actually look beautiful.
Okay.
So like we blend like parsley, garlic, ginger, black pepper, salt, pepper itself, and then like we put it inside.
So are you blending it?
The parsley is not here.
Are you?
I was not planning. I'm ordering it, but it's gonna be late. I've already cut it, so I'm just gonna put it. Next time we're gonna do that. Hopefully, next time. So I'm just seasoning this with salt and pepper as well, because it's way back into the thing when we get fried. Yeah. I have garlic here. Garlic flakes.
You got this on Trendio.
What?
This was. So you want to start your cooking thing properly?
No, it's okay. Awesome. This is literally flooded.
Are you sure it's not gonna enjoy you guys' vlogs?
You guys, the devil is a liar. We're still gonna continue this video. We're gonna continue this video to the end. It's actually 6 p.m. right now.
Guys.
And this madam has to go home. We don't even know what is gonna happen.
I'm tired, honestly.
The wig is off.
Like.
Guys, this video is all over the place. It's a mess. Like, I am thinking of how I'm going to edit this video. I'm editing it, but I don't even have the energy to edit it, because when I started, as you know, the water leakage messed up everything. Couldn't film the end because it was too late, and also decided to end it with the oxtail video. And guess what? I didn't film an outro, and I'm just realizing that I didn't film it whilst I was decorating a cake. I just finished decorating a cake order that I had, and this is my last cake order, and of course it's from Mimi. She decided to order a cake for her friend, and yeah, this will be my last cake order in Turkey, Istanbul, and I can't wait to go home and see what's up. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you would like to see me decorating a cake, let me know in the future, like a whole video of me just decorating a cake. Hopefully I'll be able to film that within a day in my life, kind of vlog. So yeah, and also comment down below what type of vlogs you would like to see. Would you like to see more cooking videos? Because I love to cook. Honestly, I don't really go out, so most of the time I'm either cooking, and cooking videos is really hard to film, but I can try that. And yeah, you guys can stick around and wait for my final days in Turkey. I have about a month left to go, and I'm counting down, and it's really tiring. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.